Welcome! In front of me is a TCL 50SE, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this device. So to get started, you will want to pull down your toggles by swiping down from the top of your screen like so, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Next, you're looking for the power saving, battery saver, or wherever it's called right here, toggle, which for me is right over here, battery saver. Once you see it, you can simply tap on it. It tells you battery saver is on, and it also dims down the display, fills the battery inlay into different color just so you can be aware of it, and then also does things in the background, which most importantly it might disconnect you from Wi-Fi and mobile data when you're not using the device, which will either result in not getting notifications at all from applications that require internet or getting them delayed. Now, once you're done with the power saving mode, you can simply turn it off by finding the toggle and tapping on it once again, and this will revert all the changes. Now, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.